Today, I'll be walking you through 4 reasons why you need a cloud phone if you are working from home, or you're a remote worker, or you're into airdrops, or you work for a foreign company or for a foreign brand. Today, I'll be showing you about Morelogin. I've talked about what it is, how you can use it to create your cloud phones, and what cloud phones are. Now, before we get started, cloud phone is simply a phone you are owning or a phone you have in the cloud. All right, now with that phone you can access several countries, you can work with different brands, you can create accounts that are normally difficult to create in your location. All right, a lot of people use cloud phones for surveys, for tasks, for working with their foreign employers, and of course for managing several social media accounts. So if you see somebody who is actually doing great stuff, all right, from a country where normally there are lesser opportunities, now probably they are using a cloud phone. All right, including people who work from home, taskers, and of course all of those AI trainers. Many of them use cloud phone to operate these accounts that helps them have seamless operations. Now the very first reason why you need a cloud phone is because you can work from any country of your choice. Now take for example, this is Morelogin. All right, I've walked you through this platform previously and explain what it works or how it works. I've shown you how to download it, how to get started. You can see it's very simple. Install, log in, create a profile and use the profile. You even have free profiles that you can use. One of the most important reasons why you need a cloud phone is because you can work in any country of your choice. I created a cloud phone 2 days back and I shared that once you're creating a cloud phone, they're going to ask you what country you want to operate from. Some of them will even give you a free phone number that you can use to continue your operation. Like Morelogin is going to give you a free phone number that you can use whatever country you're applying from or you want to create an account in. So let's say you want to create an account in, let's say, in Dubai, they're going to give you a Dubai phone number that you're going to be using. All right, but then you're going to pay for it for the paid plan. So the very first benefit why you need a cloud phone is because you can operate your business or run your business in whatever country you want to work from. That is the one of the biggest reasons why I love cloud phones. All right, and definitely you can see select your operating system here. You can choose whether you want it to be on Mac, Windows, or Mac or Linux, whatever one you have or the one you choose. You can download for your preferred computer or for the computer you have. Now, also you can see there's a free trial here, so you can register to get 2 free and permanently free profiles. Okay, 100 minutes of cloud phone usage time. So if you don't want to pay immediately, you can register to use 100 free minutes. All right, this is going to help you know if you want to pay for further minutes or you want to extend your time. So the very first reason why I mentioned you need a cloud phone is simply because you can operate your business or your task. Most people are using cloud phones for tasks like Outlier, Mindrift, or Local, many things. This is going to help you create accounts in other countries, which means that if it is difficult to be created in your country, you can use it just like you are using a VPN to create these accounts. All right, very, very, very important, especially for taskers and people who have foreign employers or accessing social media accounts that are normally not operating in your country. So this is going to help you sort all of those things out. Now the second reason you can use cloud phone is that you're going to be given a free phone number. I mentioned it. Having a phone number in another country is really difficult. Trust me, it's really difficult. And to find that, you can download the Morelogin app from here, sign up, download, and definitely come down to the app area. On this app area, this is where you can create your cloud phone. You can create both your cloud phone, a cloud phone, or a cloud browser. Whichever one you choose, you can easily create it. And then you'll be given a free phone number that you can use to create the account in the country of your choice. All right. If you are going to work in Brazil, you'll be given a Brazilian number temporarily. If you're paying for it, the package for paying for the SIM is also going to be included in your pay plan. All right, I'll talk about a pay plan later on this video. So having a free phone number is really difficult. People don't even know where to go to. People use different sites like Numero and many of them. But then on Morelogin, you have all these in one pack. This helps you a lot and saves you the stress of having to attach your phone number and all of that. So you can get their phone numbers from here when you are using the software. Also, you can actually have access to numbers from countries that normally are very difficult to access their phone number or mobile number plan. All right. Now I've shared how you can operate this dashboard, how you can create a cloud phone. I've talked about it many times. I made a video about that. Also, I'll attach that video in the description. You can go watch it, and that's going to help you. The third reason why you need a cloud phone for your work is because you can open multiple social media accounts. All right, you can open multiple social media accounts. You can see if you are going to upgrade. For now, if you're running on a free profile, you're going to be given 2 profiles. You can see on the first profile, I already created a browser. Okay, now I can create another one. Okay, you're going to be given 2 free profiles that you can create. Okay, but with this profile, you can create multiple. If you have upgraded your plan, you can create multiple social media accounts, which means if you're running a social media based business like Instagram, you're managing Instagram accounts for your clients, you can open up to 50, 60, or 100 different accounts on your PC. This is used for people who run businesses where they can help other people manage their social media accounts, and this works really well for them. So you can go check it out. You can consider using the Morelogin tool if you want to be looking at that. Now, also one thing I have to mention is that they have really good pricing. If you come to the pricing, I was looking at the pricing. It is actually very, very affordable for people who are just starting out. Okay, you can see this is free. They have the free plan, which I talked about initially, but the free plan unfortunately have only 2 profiles, which means if you're using it, you can create only 2 social media accounts per time. Okay, but when you upgrade to this $5.4 per month, you can have 10 profiles and 2 users. All right, this is also still cool for you. Also, there's a customized plan, which means if you want to create higher than 10, which means 50, 100, 200, there's a customized plan where you can go talk to them, negotiate with them. They give you the quotes, and then you pay. They give you such allowance to do what you want to do. All right, so this is actually cool. Their pricing is really, really fine. I mean, if you are doing task for $5.4 in a month, should be nothing to you, because this is something that returns money to your business. So you want to put back money using very much smarter tools. So the third reason why you need to use this particular platform is because you can use multiple social media profiles. Most people have 10, 20, 30 TikTok accounts, and they're looking for how to manage it on one device without having to open different or buy different phones, open different Gmails. Now, if you're using multiple profiles on one cloud phone, TikTok sees it as different phones you are using. Okay, they will not see it as you're using it on one phone. They will see it as you're using it on different phones. All right, you have to understand that, and that's how it works. Now, the last reason why I think it's cool for you is because you don't need to pay for any other VPN. I mean, these guys are anti-detect. They have anti-detect browsers, and of course, instead of you to start paying for expensive VPNs, you can use this also to double as a VPN for yourself. All right, this is actually amazing. One of the biggest reasons why I think I particularly love this tool. All right, now you can go check it out. They are amazing, and definitely I am using it. Okay, I'm using Morelogin, and it is cool. I believe you can go check out the product also. You can see the product. They have 4 kinds of product: anti-detect browsers. They also have multiple anti-browser, CloudPhone, and then the phone farm and all of that. Let's check out the resource page. You can come here to message them if you need help, or you need to get on the blog or the partner center. This is going to help you. Now, particularly, this is where you will spend most of your time inside the dashboard, where you have to create your CloudPhone account. Make sure that you have downloaded the CloudPhone app on your laptop so you can make use of it. The phone is going to be installed inside of your laptop, and this is going to be really amazing for you if you are looking out for stuff like this. If you have any questions regarding CloudPhone, this is going to be really interesting and cool. Trust me, if you are using, if you have to work with apps or tasks or survey apps, survey platforms, these are the kind of platforms that you should be looking out for if you want to try out surveys that may not be working out in your location. Now, I've shared the 4 reasons why you can consider using your Morelogin. Of course, 4 reasons why you might consider using it includes you are getting a free phone number where you are applying from. You can have multiple social media accounts. Their pricing are really good, and definitely you can also double as a VPN. All right, this helps you a lot for your business, and of course anything you want to do. Now, if you're looking at how to create a cloud phone, go down in the comment section, or in the description you find a video of how I've used the Morelogin to create a cloud phone for my business. For now, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Do have a very wonderful day.